चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Right, so PM designate Narendra Modi will take oath of office and secrecy in less than 13 hours from now at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Along with the PM designate, other members of the Union Council of Ministers will also be taking oath. Note that top leaders from Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bhutan, Nepal, Mauritius will also be attending the oath-taking ceremony. And in fact, we're also given to understand that hours ahead of the swearing-in, the PM designate will also be visiting Rajghat and the National War Memorial in just some time from now. We have our reporters on the ground. Let's go across to Riyanka, who is joining us from the Rajghat. Riyanka, good morning. Give us a lowdown of what to expect this morning. We understand that in a while from now, the Prime Minister will be at the Rajghat to pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi.
That's right, it's a big day today indeed because Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister designate, will be taking oath, and it is indeed going to be a festival for the NDA, and we are expecting movement here at this point because the Prime Minister is supposed to visit Rajghat, and we are showing you the visuals at this point where all the security measures have been taken. Quite heavy security has been maintained at Rajghat at this moment, and Prime Minister is set to arrive here at any given time. Earlier the timing was around 7, but we're expecting his moment to be around 7:15 to 7:30. He will be coming at this particular location to pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. From this particular location he will be moving to Atal Samadhi, where he will be going ahead and paying his tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and then from there the schedule goes like he will be visiting the National War Memorial to pay his tributes. And what we are getting to know that these are the live visuals that we are bringing to you. Prime Minister has already arrived here at the Rajghat. Take a look at these exclusive visuals playing out only on Republic. Prime Minister has arrived at Rajghat to pay his tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. So these are the live updates coming in. We are also getting to know that today is a big day, power pack schedule for the Prime Minister. The oath-taking ceremony of Modi and his cabinet will be held in presence of a large gathering of the national and international dignitaries as well. So as you can see, security measures have been maintained here. Several vehicles have been coming in. The Prime Minister has already arrived is what we are given to understand. Currently, he will be at this particular location to pay his tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. As I rightly mentioned, after this he will be moving ahead to Sadaiv Atal and then to the National War Memorial.